Hey, it's Miss Stoke. We are looking at Module 5, Lesson 9, Dropbox. So this is going to be basically your chance to actually find an ad that you think is interesting and that you think you can kind of analyze and evaluate to see what the people are actually trying to maybe sell people or how they're doing it, like what's their techniques on their ad. Okay, so once you open up the rubric and the advertisement assignment, you'll see these things, okay? So this is the rubric. Remember, we look in the first column because that's how you get the perfect score. The first thing says, identify ad source and purpose. So interpret the purpose and meaning of a variety of visual media. So basically, you'll have to state the name of your product and your source of the ad. So basically tell us where you found the ad, like what website or what TV show or commercial or like a magazine, anything like that, okay? Give a full and clear description of the ad and maybe like what the purpose is, like what are they trying to sell, okay? And then evaluate how an ad creates meaning. So if it's a commercial, tell us what it sounded like, what kind of graphics you saw, things like that. If it's just a picture in a magazine, tell us maybe what the text looks like, any images that they have, things like that that really help you connect with it. That makes you maybe start having thoughts and thinking about, buying whatever they're trying to sell. And then identify their persuasive techniques. Okay, so we talked about a lot of different persuasive techniques in this module. So maybe try to actually identify what you think best fits the type of ad that you have, okay? Evaluate the effectiveness of the media. So basically tell us what your conclusion is, okay? Tell us if you think it's effective or not and why. Whatever conclusion you have. And then mechanics and conventions. Just make sure that your sentences are correct, but maybe even complex, okay? Don't just use simple sentences. Use a variety. Make sure there are not any major grammar or spelling errors. Student uses advanced and mature words. So if you need to use like a thesaurus, maybe pull that up on your computer and find more advanced words for words that you would normally just use every day. Tone is professional and appropriate for this assignment. So, this is a professional thing like advertising, and this is the Module 5 assignment. So make sure that you're able to write a paper that is appropriate for school and not really just something that's silly that you would maybe write to your friend, okay? So make sure it's appropriate and is a formal type tone, okay? So this is the assignment sheet. Basically, find an ad that you can look at for a while, okay? It can be something on the internet. It can be a magazine. It could be something that you saw on Instagram, something like that you took a screenshot of. Whatever you find, make sure you can look at it for a while, okay? Make sure your assignment and your paragraph includes the name of your product and where you found the ad, like the source, okay? Describe the ad, give us the purpose, analyze its images, its text, its the language that they use, or even the sound of it. Give us an explanation of maybe their advertising techniques, and let us know if you think it's effective or not for that type of advertisement. And make sure you definitely use your rubric and check your work based on the rubric, okay? If you have questions about this, please let me know, and we can try to figure out whatever is going on. And remember, this is Module 5, Lesson 9, and it is due November 28th, okay? So if you need help with that, let me know.